We have lovely asset return histograms that we want to share with you, show you how that's done. Go to the code with return histogram that we have provided to you. Then head on over to R. Up in this top left corner where you put in your R script, you can name this file something like return histogram or whatever you like. Here are the inputs that you have to put in. You have to put in the ticker. So we're going to go with DIA, the Dow Jones Industrial Average ETF. And then the number of days, like are we looking at returns over 5 trading days, over 10 trading days, over 2 trading days, etc. You put in that value. How many years are we looking back? Are we looking back 1 year, 5 years, 10 years, 20 years? And then finally, we're going to set this value for true or false based on whether we're looking at overlapping or non-overlapping days. And we go into some detail in this course path. So next we're going to run the code and we should see some values pop up. And down here in the console, we get some preliminary summary stats. So like what was the worst 5-day return? Almost 19% negative. First quartile, so 25% of the days were worse than here. Median, mean, third quartile, and max 5-day returns. Some interesting percentile data here, standard deviation, and mean. So anyway, that's good for you just in the bottom left hand, but in the bottom right hand, we get the actual plot. You can head in and examine that more closely at your leisure and get a sense. And of course, what should pop up the page is that looks kind of like a bell curve. That looks fairly normally distributed. In red, we have what's called a kernel density, and a kernel density takes that histogram and it sort of smooths it out, approximates what kind of distribution would this more or less look like without the boxes.